In this video, we share everything you need to know about visiting and camping at Point Provincial Park. Point Provincial Park is located on the north shore of Lake Erie, and it's really close to the mouth of the Grand River. Probably the coolest part about Point Provincial Park is that it's home to exposed fossils of a coral reef dating back to over 350 million years, and these are embedded in a limestone shelf along the beach. Checking in at Point Provincial Park is very easy. It's a drive-through process, so you just drive up to the check-in building.
50.
Yes.
Sure.
No.
No. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
We're here. When you check in, you'll be given two printouts that look something like this. One printout needs to remain in the dash of your car, and the other printout is going to be placed at the pole of your campsite. Okay, so Point Provincial Park, unlike Long Point where we were last weekend, Long Point didn't have a park store. You bought all your stuff at the front desk. Point has a park store. Actually, most provincial parks have a park store.
It's actually about half and half.
Half and half?
Yeah.
Most of the ones we've been to have had a park store.
Yes.
Anyway, they're open till 8, so we're gonna go get ice for the cooler now while we still have everything not set up, and then we'll find our site. There are 4 areas for car camping in Point: Kinsey, Nice, Minor, and Lookout. Kinsey and Nice camping areas offer electrical campsites and can accommodate equipment ranging from large trailers to tents. Minor and Lookout do not offer electrical service, but the campsites accommodate tents to small trailers. We stayed in the Minor section, and our campsite was pretty grassy and had some tree coverage. It was really nicely kept and quite large. The washroom facilities are pretty standard. You've got basic bathrooms, showers, and laundry facilities that are all open for use. We were really impressed with the cleanliness of the washroom facilities. They were cleaned often, and the showers had warm water. There's 1 kilometer of natural sand and pebble beach that runs from the campground to the day use area. The beach does have a gradual drop off that's not marked by a buoy line, so if you do plan on going swimming, please be careful. Our campsite was near the very end of the beach and had stairs that you needed to use to get down to the beach area. I just went for a little stroll. We're kind of like at the end of the beach in the park here. Like on the farthest side, and there's a rock shelf. One thing that Point Provincial Park is known for here is its fossils. There's kind of like a rock shelf at the end of the beach, and walking along it you can actually just, like, with the blind eye, spot some fossilization, which is really, really cool. So that's what I'm about to show you now. So you can see that way is just regular beach. I mean, you can kind of see because of the fog, but over here is like an entire rock shelf, and I'm literally just at the beginning of it, and look at this. These are all fossils. Oh my gosh, look at that one. If you do plan on exploring the limestone shelf, we do recommend wearing shoes. Some of the areas have really, really sharp seashells and you don't want to be stepping on those barefoot. One thing that really stood out to us was the amount of birds we could hear if we sat quietly on our campsite or went for a walk. There's been over 260 bird species recorded in the park, so it's a great area for birding. In terms of hiking, there's only one hiking trail. It's called the Woodlot Trail, and it's only about 2 kilometers. It has a variety of forest and wetland communities, including Carolinian, Oak Savanna, and Old Farm Fields that are slowly being reclaimed by the forest. The trail will lead you to a viewing platform built on top of the park's sand dunes and overlooking Lake Erie. If you're camping with kids, the Discovery program is running. As we were walking to the beach one day, we did come across a Discovery program where park staff were teaching children about the fossils found in Point Provincial Park. Along with providing information, there were also activity booklets that kids could grab and go. There's a small day-use area on the west end of the park that runs along the park's beach. Picnic tables and washroom facilities are available, and you can also rent gas barbecues from the park store. Okay, Andy, thoughts on Point Provincial Park?
Well, for a place that is surrounded by marshes, there's actually very little mosquitoes. Not no mosquitoes, mind you. But overall, it's a great campsite. I really enjoyed it. The site itself was very clean. We did not run into caterpillar infestation. So, what do you think, Tia?
So I think Rock Point is on the top of my list now for provincial parks that are near us. I thought the fossils were super cool. I could literally go back and like look through the rocks for another few hours. There's just so much to see. I mean, the beach isn't immaculate. Lake Erie is not our favorite, but it's better than no beach, so can't complain. And the sites themselves were just immaculately kept. Like, if I'm comparing to Long Point last weekend, the site was just like the trees were, like the trees and the bushes and everything were trimmed and kept well, and I don't know, I really enjoyed it and I would definitely come back here.
Washrooms are super clean too.
That is a good point. And the showers were super clean, so.
Although the water was colder than the Long Point one, but it was like body temperature.